Hi, I'm Eric Mercia. I'm the CEO here at Pit Crew Technologies in San Antonio, Texas. We're one of the top managed IT providers here in this area. We service San Antonio, Houston, Dallas, and surrounding areas as well. We handle all aspects of information technology for our clients, everything from computers, desktops, laptops, the support of that, implementation of those things, to cloud services, backup and disaster recovery. Pretty much if it has a circuit board in it, we can handle it for our clients. We got our beginning back in 2005. My partner and I, James Barrett, we worked for very large corporate IT environments at that time, had decided that we weren't getting satisfaction out of our jobs at that time, and so we saw a need for small and mid-sized companies requiring IT services. And so we tried to fill that need, and we've been very successful in doing so. When we opened our doors back in 2005, our very first client that we earned is still a client to this day, and I think that's a testament to who we are as a company, what we do. We're very, very highly focused on customer service and not just fixing things, but making sure that the user receives a very good experience when interacting with our engineers or any of our staff here at Pit Crew. Our areas of focus are mainly in the healthcare and professional services world. We do have a wide array of different clients, but that's where the bulk of our clients come from.